We'll see how to make a pulleys. I made 3 pulleys, 3 inches, 4 inches and 5 inches. So let's see how it's made. Start with the part. I'll select a part and select a plane, and I'm making one sketch. Basically 3 pulleys I make by using only one sketch. First I'm making the sketch and then after I'll define the dimension. Line, make a construction line, and here I'll provide the dimension. First the length, diameter, make a diameter 24 mm, and total pulley I'm always using inches. It is automatically converting mm. Select 3 of collinear relation. Select both and collinear. After that I provide now full sketch is fully defined. Now I using Revolve Boss base. Use center line. I'll apply the material plain carbon. Basically it's made by casting only. This appearance is looking good. Okay. Now after saving, we will make one key and one hole for locking purpose type of thing. I select this face and make one square on the edge of this internal dia. Both is same and 8 mm. Now I'll try one relation, extrude cut through all. Now it's perfect. This is for key only, and I'm making one hole on the top of this. Basically after inserting the key, we need to tight that screw. Okay, now I'm applying the relation horizontal and one distance from the edge. Then perfect. Extrude cut. Basically this dimension is M6 I'm using. Now for second one I'll use save as. Need to apply chamfer first. It's not looking good side. This edge. Now all edges is perfect. Now I'll use save as. Now I'll change only the name. 4 inch. Perfect. Now I only added the sketch only. Increase the diameter of this 4 inches. It's converting mm directly. And if everything is okay, and this thing is, this diameter is, need to change. Okay, perfect. I'll increase this diameter also. Now take exit and everything will be same. So now I need to make one more, that was 5 inches. Basically in our screw conveyor there is 2 rotation part, so in 2 rotation part we need 4 pulleys. So I'll change the name 5 inch. Okay, and in this I'll change something different, some sketches over there. Same as it is, I using 5 inches. I need to change some diameter, and diameter is perfectly good. I will need to increase this size. So after it is looking perfect. I won't need to make one sketch over here. Yeah, it is. I use trim command. Now it's not fully defined. I'll provide the dimension, applying a relation. Now this diameter is, length is 20, perfect, and this diameter is according to your mindset, like how much you want to give, not more than. Okay, here is an error, showing error something. I need to increase the length also. So now everything is perfect, it's fully defined. Take exit from the sketch, and here is a chamfer error because we delete 2 faces, so that's why. I delete this thing and select 2 edges over here. Okay, now it's perfectly. Now it's also ready. I'll show you of all 3s. Windows, open everything. Here. Two pulleys is showing in the windows. Now third one is coming. Okay. Now if I'll show the windows, it's converted into 3 parts. Yeah. Now only size is different. Basically belt size is equal, so that's why I am using same sketch for everyone. And the final pulley is 1 feet 12 inches. I'll already provide in the video. So everything is good. Thank you. We'll meet in the final video, the final assembly. Thank you.